Stage 3 is a test of your instructional ability. It's split into 2 phases, both of which can be taken on the same day. During phase 1, the ADI examiner normally plays the role of an early beginner driver, and during phase 2, he plays the role of a more experienced, more advanced learner driver. He will pick 2 scenarios at random, and he will score your performance based on a series of competencies, 16 of which are called core competencies. So, what you have to do is you have to demonstrate all 16 core competencies and as many of the additional ones as possible over the course of the 2 phases. Each phase would last about 30 minutes. So what can we do for you at Ladybird? We can ensure that you understand all the competencies and how to demonstrate them. Over the course of 18 hours of training, we will equip you with the knowledge and understanding to deliver on any scenario that may arise on the day. We will deliver a structured, comprehensive training program that will ensure your success.